It's a case of fetal well-being, and by dates she corresponds to 32 weeks of gestation, and it's a cross-section of fetal head. Now we are measuring biparietal diameter, and it's 8.2 centimeter from one parietal bone to another. And here you can see middle cerebral artery in circle of Willis. Middle cerebral artery after putting pulse wave Doppler. This is a view of vertebral artery. You can see cervical spine and vertebral arteries. It's an image showing gender, and it's a male baby showing scrotum here. And this is umbilical artery, and it looks normal because SD ratio is 2.9, which is normal. This is the face profile. Here you can see head, nose, upper lip, lower lip, and chin, and it's normal.